In this lesson, we will deal with the procedures for preparing an aircraft for departure, takeoff and retraction of the landing gear, and approach and landing gear extension. When you arrive at an aircraft, it is important that it is secure and the cockpit controls reflect the position of the landing gear. The safety exterior inspection allows you to check that the nose wheel chocks are in place to prevent the aircraft from moving, and whether the hydraulic landing gear doors are open or closed. It is vitally important that the green hydraulic system is not pressurized without ground clearance. If it is, members of the ground crew may be injured or even killed. The preliminary cockpit preparation phase allows you to check the position of the landing gear lever. If it is in the down position and you have completed the safety exterior inspection, you may obtain ground crew clearance to apply the electrical power and hydraulic pressure. With the aircraft safe, you can perform the final exterior inspection. Before departure, you must check the aircraft configuration is correct for flight. The nose gear is checked to ensure the chocks are still in place. The condition of the wheels and tyres are good. The nose wheel steering selector and pin are in the towing position, and the gear safety pin has been removed. Both main landing gears must also be checked to ensure the wheel chocks have been removed, the wheels, tyres and brakes are in good condition, and the landing gear safety pins have been removed. After towing, the nose wheel steering selector pin is also removed and retained by the ground crew. When removed, the ground crew should show the selector pin to the flight crew. It is important, however, that you check that all 3 gear safety pins have been stowed in the cockpit. Next, check the overhead and centre console landing gear indicators for 3 greens to confirm that the gears are down and locked. Then, press the landing gear warning test push button to test the gear not down and locked warning. A successful test is shown by the activation of the continuous repetitive chime, master warning, ECAM message, and down arrow on the landing gear lever panel. When the test push button is released, the warning stops. After takeoff and confirmation of positive climb, indicated by a positive vertical speed and an increase of altitude, the landing gear can be ordered up. Lift and move the landing gear lever to do this. This is the landing. With the lever in the up position, the following sequence of events takes place, as shown on the indicating units. Unlock appears, as the gear is not locked in the position selected by the landing gear lever. Then the doors unlock and open. The gear unlocks, retracts and uplocks. And finally, the doors close and lock. When the retraction is complete and the indicator lights are out, you may set the lever to neutral to remove the load from the green hydraulic system. Select the lever to move it to the neutral position now. The gear retraction cycle is now complete. During approach, you order the gear down. Lift and move the landing gear lever to the down position. First, green hydraulic pressure is supplied, and the indicator units show unlock, as the gear is not locked in the position selected by the landing gear lever. Then the doors unlock and open. The landing gear extends and locks. And finally, the doors close and lock. The indicator lights show the down and locked symbols. It is important to note that the lever is not selected to the neutral position, as for the retraction, as pressure needs to be maintained in the system for landing.